Welcome to another Bubble tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to add a hover effect to the brand new table element introduced by Bubble on the 26th of July, just checking the date there, 26th of July 2023. So how do you add a hover to the row when the mouse goes over it? That's really quick and easy. So I have my table element here, and then I click on my first repeating row, the one that's shown there, and I then go into conditional, and I can say this row is hovered, and then I first have to change the background style to make sure that it's flat color, because by default it might be none, and if it's none you won't see the options add a background color. So you have to have flat color, and then you get access to this statement here, background color, and then I can change this to a grey, hit preview, and you now see that I have a hover effect as I go over the table. Now I have checked, and Bubble haven't added in the ability to add a subtle animation to this effect just yet, and I really hope that they add that soon. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, it would be really great if you could like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. But also, did you know we have over 100 videos on our website, planetnocode.com. We've got basically 25 hours of footage of demoing all sorts of things that you can do in Bubble. So whether you're a Bubble beginner or a Bubble advanced user, I'm sure there's something that you can learn, and you can head to our website to search through those videos, planetnocode.com.